I'm Steve, and this is CC Garage. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back. Well, today's day 2 on the brakes. We're gonna fix it. Okay. Confidence. So today what our plan is, put the master cylinder on, rubber lines. I already got the other side done just so I don't look like an idiot when I'm putting it on. And then I got some hard line somewhere. I'm gonna bend our own lines. I got fittings and adapters and everything else I need, I think. Got this tubing bender to try out. Brake fluid, vacuum hose, fittings, obviously the master cylinder.
Look, dummies are on here too. Dada!
Yeah,
Look,
I know about me. This is heavy.
why that so heavy?
Cause it is.
Why God be so heavy? Why God be so heavy, Dada?
Cause it's old truck parts. Old truck parts are always heavy.
I also Paul God be so heavy.
Cause they're made with real metal. Not plastic Chinese crap.
And not crap.
Chinese stuff is crap.
No, it's not.
Is. We got our 14 millimeter to bolt this bad boy on. Okay, so we're gonna put on our soft line right now. That end goes through there, but first, well, let's see. Pull your plug out, banjo bolt with your copper washer on, your other copper washer,
You got Wes.
then you take this end, go through there, take your clip, hammer.
My hammer.
No,
What's hammer?
brown hammer.
Why you need a brown hammer? Yeah. Get hold it. That will be a hammer.
Okay, so inside the truck, this is our push rod for the brake pedal. So there is a cotter pin on there that we got to take off. 14 millimeter. Of course, it's spinning on the backside. This would have probably been way easier before I put the steering column in. So for bleeding the master cylinder, I take this out that I put in there. But you got these clear hoses, a bunch of fittings. What you do is take these fittings, screw them into your proportioning valve down here, get them nice and snug. Take your hoses, like so. I'm twisting and pushing at the same time to get it on there. That one is on there. Do the same thing for this one. That's kind of fancy. Little black clips. Clip right on the side like that. And you run your hose. This one over here. I don't know how good that's going to work because it's not long enough. See, it's kinked, so that's not going to work. Okay, under further investigation, in the instructions it says you got left front, right front, and then your rear. Well, this one had a cap in it. I put the cap down here. You go ahead and screw this line into this top one because I don't have any longer hose.
There, got this.
And then you put it back in that fancy holder. We're gonna fill this up with some brake fluid. Yummy. Oh, crap. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go, try not to drop the camera. I'm gonna go inside the truck and cycle the brake pedal until we stop getting bubbles. You can see just from the pressure of it, we're getting bubbles coming out of the lines, which is a good thing.
Look at it! Look at you! Get out of here! Get out of my daddy glass! With a sword! Ha ha! Yes! Sure! Then we got this to you.
Yeah, don't get that dirty.
I don't know, I can't get this dirty.
Because push our lines in a little further. So that way we don't suck in any air when I let off the pedal. So now that this is bled, we're gonna, now that this is bled, we're gonna go ahead and run our brake lines. So I ended up picking up this tubing bender at the parts store. So never used one like, well, I've never used a tubing bender. So we will see how this works. Yeah. We got our short brake line. This one's gonna go from the soft line or the rubber line on the driver's side to the T-fitting I bought. Okay, so the way this is gonna go is the T is gonna go on there.
You eat them.
Grab our snazzy camera. Maybe we can figure out where these have to be bent.
These are what you'll glue. We're gonna know what happened to mine
I mean, good thing we're not building a show truck. The nickel carbide, or whatever that line's called. Alloy tubing. Way easier to work with than the steel tubing. Don't need any tools, you just grab and bend. Got a lot of give to it. We cleared the exhaust right here. We're gonna come out of the T, come back a little bit, and then go up, so that way we avoid the control arms, or maybe go on the inside. I'm gonna go look at the parts truck and I will be right back. Okay, so I got what I think is pretty close to what I need. So, I don't know how good you guys can see down here, but I got an adapter that's gonna go in this spot. I'm gonna put this plug back up here, and I don't want to drip fluid everywhere, so I'm gonna try to be quick about this. Okay,
Come on.
I'm coming.
You're not.
I am.
You're not.
Are you?
You're not hurrying.
Didn't say I was hurrying, I said I'm coming.
You're not coming.
Am.
You.
Another day working on the C10. We got Spencer here. We're gonna try to get these brakes bled.
Yo, Holmes, let's go to Mamacita's place. Have some tacos. Yeah.
Must be the Peck water. I don't know. Okay, go ahead and pump.
1, 2, 3.
Hold.
Yep.
Of course, I grabbed the wrong size wrench again. Holding.
Yep. Now I know what Asians feel like.
Okay, go ahead and pump. Hold it.
Holding.
Okay, pump. Hold.
This isn't how we were taught to do it.
How were you taught?
Press it down once and crack the bleeder.
Eh. Who has their diploma?
Neither of us.
I have mine.
Oh, did you get certified?
I said diploma. I graduated.
I'm about to get mine tomorrow.
Congratulations. I don't even know if I can see you through this dirty ass windshield.
I can see you.
Barely. All I can see is like shop lights. Walmart.
Walmart to the rescue.
Okay. Holding.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright. Let me know when you want to pump them up again.
You can pump.
Alright.
Getting a steady stream, but It's not like shooting out or anything.
Well, that's what we got the tow truck too, and the brakes are still spongy on that.
But I know for a fact, like, these are brand new lines, so like...
Also, if your tactic does work, then that means there's something else broken on that truck.
Okay, holding.
Yep.
Okay, closed.
Alright, to the floor. There isn't very much travel with this pedal.
No. I probably gotta readjust it. Okay, it's closed.
Alright.
Bubbles. Come over here. Okay, closed.
Alright.
Does it feel like a brake pedal?
Is it closed?
Yeah.
It's coming out more. It's a little bit stiffer.
There you have it, guys. Another video concluded. More shiny parts on the 67, so...
Now just wait for the wheels.
Wait for tires. We got rims. Wait for tires. There's a sneak peek. They are 15 by 10 and
We got like 15 by 5.
my tires are way too small. But they bolt up good, they look good, just need tires, so see you on the next one.